Oh, look, Nathan's wearing the same thing because he never changes. That's right, because coronavirus. Yay! In this video, I'm going to show you what a grip kit is and what you should probably have in it. Okay, so what is a grip kit? Oh, look at there. So what's a grip kit? Does anyone have an idea what a grip does on movie sets? Okay, so a grip is a person that's going to be controlling lights, shaping lights, moving set pieces, propping stuff up, tilting mirrors, tilting lampshades, stuff like that. So they need to have tools in order to get that job done. Now, what's in my grip kit? And I'm going to be honest, I haven't used this in a while because I haven't left my studio in a while. So some of the stuff that's in here, quite honestly, I threw it in this right before this video because it has other places inside my studio. Now, if you're the type of person that wants to go out in the wild and shoot in forest and woods and grasslands and water and stuff like that, then definitely have some type of contraption here with all your stuff in it. Now, for me, when I was in school, it was a toolbox. You can get these pretty cheap at Home Depot, and it has a lot of little storage, and it has wheels so you can pull it along with you. So a grip kit is everything that you need besides your camera and your action figures or models. So what will we find inside of it? They're all going to be different. It's whatever you need to shoot with. Okay? So I will start off in this middle section first because it's quite honestly the smallest. Now I have pins, safety tack, fun tack, dental wax. I have rubber bands and tweezers. Don't know what these are. Oh, Alka-Seltzer. That was from when I was doing food photography. I have different grips. I have postcards that I can use as bounce cards. If you don't know what a bounce card is, it's something that reflects light into your shadows. But don't worry, don't stress it, because that's part of lighting. Okay? I also have silly putty. Why silly putty? Because I can hold things down. That's why silly. Okay? So that's what's in door number 1. Door number 2, we could have things like a blowtorch. Oh, yeah. Okay? If I need to burn something, fireworks, whatever. I have irrigation flags. These things are freaking awesome. If you need to pose up some stuff, something's falling over, irrigation flags are great. Not because of the flag part, but because of the metal stick. Another smaller butane torch. I have tools. I have butane. I have a can of duster. Okay, blow debris around. I'll get to that one in a minute. So again, we got more tools. I have a small little blower if I need to blow dust off of a character. Oh, look at there, more LED lights. Can never go wrong with LED lights. I have powdered sugar. Why do I have powdered sugar? Well, because it could be a good snow stand-in if I want to create a snow scene in the middle of summer. I have galvanized steel wire to hold things up. I have fishing line if I want to make stuff fly. I have all-purpose flour. Also good for snow. I also have cornstarch. Also good for snow. I have some cloths and clothespins, baby powder. Good for snow. Also good for fruits. What else? More lights, more flags, another butane cover, more fishing wire and silver beaded wire, more lights. I have incense. I have stick incense. I have these little cone incense. Not because I want my shooting area outside to smell good, but because I can light them on fire and create atmosphere inside of my photograph. Now, back to that other thing that I pulled out, and I said I was going to come back to it. Atmosphere in a can. So cool. I love it. I love messing around with it. I'm going to say about half the time that you see some type of effect over my pictures, blowing sand, dust, dirt, debris. It's not any of that. It's one of two things. Atmosphere in a can. This is really cool. I know I had an open one. Yep, right here. So atmosphere in a can is really cool. It's like hairspray, only it's not. So you go through, kind of tap up your scene, and there you go. Atmosphere, yay! Everyone scream yay for atmosphere. The other thing that I will use, if you have deep pockets, this is a Microfogger 2. Found this thing online. It's what powered my Black Series Darth Vader helmet. This will put out fog. It's like a, what are those? E-cigarette. But instead of you having to inhale it, it actually blows it out. It also has a radio control remote. So, like on this scene, I have vents. The vents have tubing on the back side, and the tubing hooks up to this. I can press a button and I can have smoke billowing out of my vents, which is pretty cool. You can also use this stuff if you want to do cosplays. And if you want models, you can actually put it inside your models and get your model to smoke. So that's really cool. Also really expensive for what it is. It's like 150 bucks. More pins, more fishing line, earthquake putty to get stuff to stay down. I have cloths, I have business cards. I have more tools. I have a Gerber. Never know when you need a Gerber. And then inside the top, not oftenly used anymore, but clamps. These were good for clamping curtains and stuff like that. I don't necessarily use them now, but I can definitely find a way if I want someone on the fly, but I don't have a flying stand like this that will actually hold the figure up. Then I can use my irrigation flags to rig a system up, have it on here, put a rock on there, have it off to the side, and float my figure. So you gotta kind of be creative. You gotta think outside the box a little bit. There's also some tape in here. Never know when you need to tape something down. And more tools. So yeah, back to what we're talking about. Your grip kit is going to be anything that you use while you make photographs. If you use bounce cards, like my postcards, put some bounce cards in there so you have some extra. I mean, anything you can think of, right? If you've used it on a set and you think you might need it again, get a rolling toolbox or have a place in your house where you can set this kind of stuff. So it's good to have. It's good to have it separated so that your place doesn't look like mine, which is a giant cluster of just madness going on for the past like 3 months. So that's a grip kit. If you have some stuff, put them in the comments below. Add it to the Facebook group. As always, please join the Facebook group if you haven't. That's where we can share all of our stuff. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're just passing through, please subscribe. Also like and comment this video because that helps me. I'm doing all this for free, and I don't know, maybe one day this channel will have enough views and likes and people subscribe that I can actually start benefiting financially from it, since I'm a poor post-grad with debt and bills, wife, kid. Anywho, doesn't matter. So, that being said, I think the next video I will probably do, it's going to be really short. It's going to be about shooting tables. Yeah, we're going to do shooting tables. Get that one out of the way. So I will catch you guys in the next video. So, bye.